Frank, there you are. I've been looking all over for you.
Hey there, what's up Andrew? You sound like you chased down by a pack of angry gorillas.
I wish, because that way I know I could have gotten away. But getting away from the buzzing sound my fridge makes, now that's another story.
Oh, this problem. I have good news for you because I think you'll find it really simple to fix it.
Can you tell me more about this?
First of all, it could be a cabinet vibration from the fridge that's not really level. Be sure to check that all feet are resting on the floor equally.
This is the simplest DIY tip I've ever heard in my life. Can you provide me some extra tips, in case this doesn't fix my problem?
You may want to unplug your unit, and then take the ice bin out and empty it. Check to see if there are any frozen parts of it, which may hamper movement.
This sounds easy. I heard that you can also use a hairdryer sometimes to thaw your fridge faster, so I'll go down this route.
True, yet another thing is that the solenoids may be acting up. These are basically electromechanical devices used to turn off and on the water to the ice maker, yet they also operate the door dispensing the ice.
I see.
Lastly, I think that there may also be a problem with the fan motor that's making this annoying noise. There's no danger in my opinion, but I know you want it fixed as soon as possible.
Yes, I do want that, and these tips have really helped me a bunch. Thanks a lot, and I will let you know how it went.
You know where you can find me.